All right, today we're going to wrap some cigars. Yesterday I bound and molded and pressed about 18 cigars. And it was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ring gauges on those 18. And we're going to wrap them with 4 different wrappers. But before I do that, let me just see here. I want to show you something. I've got a MSA wrapper I've had here for a while, and I'm going to make me a little quick stick. I'm going to get this wrapper right here. This is a Mexican San Andreas MSA wrapper. I've had it sitting in that little baggie there for a while. It's an older leaf that I had, not real good quality, but it'll work for this little quick deal right here. These are some of my scraps from when I've been rolling. What I'm gonna do is just pick some out of here. Now my humidity today, when I came in here, was about 75%. Let's see, it's hitting about 65 now. I turned the AC on just for a few minutes to cool it down just a tad. It was 80 something degrees. Now it's 79, 78. Humidity's down to 65. Still decent, tolerable. So anyway, what I'm going to do is just get a handful of this scrap right here. We're going to make us a quick little cheroot to smoke while I'm doing this. Give you an idea kind of what I do and how I do it. Let's see here. Right here. I'd already started doing it before I got this video going, so that's what those leaves are right there. In fact, I've already cased some Cameroon wrapper, and I'm going to show you how we case those things here in a second. But in the meantime, we're going to put some of these together, make us a little cheroot, by golly. And have something to smoke while we're working. That's a good idea, huh? I think so. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Some people have a problem doing these little scrap cigars like this. For some reason, I never have. I don't know, it just seems to kind of just fall in kind of naturally, you might say. But hey, to each their own. Just layer it in there, just get your pieces. You got all kinds of pieces like this right here. Just lay them in there. Get it as thick or thin as you want. I don't try to roll them up like a entubado on this. It's more like kind of in the style of the book method. We just kind of lay them in there. Get about the right thickness that you're wanting. And get different kinds of leaves in there, because this is all just your scraps now. So you got wrappers, binders, fillers, dark, light, everything in the world in that bucket over there, that little treasure chest. Just lay them in there like so. And that's about right, I'd say. Probably make a good little cheroot. Take this bad boy here, lay it on there. No binder, just a wrapper. can wrap it a little bit tight because we're not going to mold it or press it or anything else. But this is critical here when you want to really roll it out like those Cubans do. Once you get it in there like that, get you a nice round two, get it all molded in there. That's your molding, pressing, and all that kind of stuff is what you're doing right now. And if you were going to put a wrapper on it, which this is a wrapper, remember this is an MSA wrapper, then you would wrap it after that. But there we go. Not a bad little cheroot, huh? This is one of those deals when you're with me, Dad Bernard, I'll roll a dadgum dozen cigars and then I'll smoke 3 or 4 days. So if I'm not rolling every 3 or 4 days, I run out. And typically with my schedule and what I got going on, I'm lucky if I can roll 1 day a week. It's usually a Saturday or Sunday. We'll cut that head off right about there. Back in the treasure chest. We'll cut this frazzled end off right there, back in the treasure chest. There you go. Let's see if I can get this up here where you can see it. There's your little cheroot. And we can trim this tip off a little bit where it's kind of frazzled if you want to, but anyway, that's the end we're gonna light. Nice draw. So, 5-minute little cheroot to have a cigar. That'll last probably 30 minutes or so. How about them apples, huh? Not bad. So, that's how you roll a quick little cheroot from your scraps. That's what, you know, for those of y'all that are new to this game, you don't throw anything away. That's my whole box of scraps that I'm binding and bunching and rolling and all that. All my scraps go right in here. And that way too, if you get on a cigar and you kind of, whoa, I'm a little bit lack on some tobacco here, they're just not quite, that's a little, you just reach in there and get your scrap, put it in there and that'll fill it in. Works pretty good. And after you get a box full, or at some point in time, you want to roll you a bunch of these, you can knock these suckers out like you just saw me do that, explaining it and doing it as I'm going, but that's about a 5-minute little quick boom, throw it together. That's about a 30, probably about a 5 by 30 little cheroot from leftovers. Didn't cost me an extra dime. Smokes pretty good.